My research is about welding processes. We try to optimize the weld parameter to get the best quality. Consequently, the lifespan of the product, reduce material consumption, and reduce costs of production. My research is used for additive manufacturing, for improvement of product and repairing techniques. Further research is related to weldability of electric batteries. We try in electric battery, we have thousands of joints. We try to get the best property, so to get the best conductivity and electrical resistance. I am very proud of my career so far and my achievement. If I may name one achievement in my career, it is my book, which I managed to publish last year. It summarizes my recent research and also highlights the different welding processes related to fusion welding.